What does reasonable visitation mean in Oklahoma? I'm Tulsa Attorney James Worth, and that's the question that we have is, what is reasonable visitation? And ultimately, that's going to be up to the parties to decide if an agreement can be reached. And if an agreement cannot be reached, it's going to go to the judge. And the judge is going to determine reasonable visitation based on what the judge believes is in the best interest of the children. So in Oklahoma, we do have some suggested schedules. They're not authoritative at all, but they're kind of guidelines that judges can use. There's certain like week on, week off 50 schedule. There's a 2-2-3 50-50 schedule. There's what some people call standard visitation plus, where it's every other weekend for the non-custodial parent or the secondarily custodial parent. And then maybe one day during the week. Sometimes that every other weekend goes from Friday evening to Monday morning. Sometimes it goes from Saturday morning to Sunday night. So there's a lot of different visitation schedules. There's a lot of different things that may be deemed relevant based on the particular case. So it's a little bit up in the air and ultimately up to the parties to determine what is in the best interest of their children that's reasonable for visitation. And if an agreement cannot be reached there, then take it to a trial to the judge. The judge hears the evidence and the facts and circumstances and applies what the judge believes is reasonable under those circumstances. So there's no set reasonable visitation, lots of different schedules that may apply to the right circumstances. But if you've got a question about your particular circumstances, you're going to want to talk to an attorney about that confidentially. To get that scheduled with an attorney at my office, you can go online to makelaweasy.com.